Hello everyone. We start a next chapter, that is a primary economic activities. Economy is one of the important part of a human geography. As well as for a population, the economic development is very important. So there are different primary economic activities are practiced on Earth's surface in a different regions or in a different countries. The countries are also divided on the base of their economical background or economical development. There are the less developed country, developing country and developed country. Almost the less developed country's economy is totally based on primary economic activities, which are economic activities are included in a primary sector. For example, hunting, then gathering. Almost forest material gathering is also one of the important primary economic activity. Then animal husbandry, agriculture, then fishing, lumbering, mining and etc. are known as a primary economic activities. In our syllabus, we discuss all these primary economic activities and their world distribution. Primary economic activities are depend on the natural resources. The totally exploitation of natural resources are important in primary economic activities. For example, hunting, then gathering forest material are totally related with the forest resource, which is one of the natural resource. Then animal husbandry, agriculture is totally depend on the soil as well as the climatic condition, rainfall. Then fishing, lumbering, fishing is again related with the ocean resource, water resource. Lumbering is again depend on the forest. So all primary economic activities are closely related and depend on a natural resource. Then here is a world map which shows a different type of economic activities in the world and their distribution, continent wise distribution of primary economic activities is there. First we think about this index or legend. Agriculture, it shows with the help of green color. Then animal husbandry with the skin color, skin or pinkish color is there. And the middle part, which is a mixed color with the pink and green, that is important for the animal husbandry also or agriculture. Both practices are available in that region. So when there is a total green, that is it shows the total agriculture activities only, but pinkish green is there, at that time it shows agriculture activity with animal husbandry. Then total this pink skin or pink color, it shows a total animal husbandry, which is depend on commercial which is based on the subsistence purpose and somewhere commercial purpose. Then fishing, it shows with the help of a blue color, dark blue color, which is almost we observe at the coastal areas around the continent region. Then star, pink star shows a mining, and this last sign, there is a wood, part of wood is there, it shows a lumbering activity. Now if we observe in the world, there are 7 continents. Among them 7 continents, only Antarctic continent is left without any primary economic activity region. Otherwise, in the whole world, whole region of our continents and some ocean parts, we can observe a different types of primary occupations are there. Now about first, that is the agriculture. Agriculture activity is practiced in here in a North America, middle part of a prairie region, then some part of Appalachian mountain, then in India, in China, then steppes grassland. Such region are almost practice agriculture with animal husbandry, because there is a high density of population in Europe as well as in a Asian continent. Almost to fulfill the need of this high density or population, the agriculture practice with the animal husbandry too. Then some region is we can observe there is a mining. Then the star shows the mining in the North America. There is a mining occupation and lumbering is too. Then the north part of this Russia, Eurasian continent, here is also lumbering is practiced. Almost near about the 50 to 65 degree we can observe the lumbering occupation is there. Then the upper part of this Siberian region, there is only mining activities is practiced because of the natural resources. Mining can develop in this region due to very extreme cold climate, ice cap region. Other activities cannot possible and develop in this region. Here is also same condition at the north part of Canada. There is also mining occupation is developed. Then the African continent, upper part of African continent have also developed mining. Then southern part, South Africa and this region have also mining. Australia, the east part of Australia, upper part as well as southern part, there is a mining occupation is development. Some region there is also agriculture is also practiced. But in the middle part of Australia, the activity we cannot observe any primary activities. Then in the middle part of Asian continent we cannot observe any type of primary activity. Then this region where the Amazon river basin, any activity we cannot observe in this region. African middle part, some north part Sahara desert region, Congo river basin, Australian desert area, then Asian desert region, then Amazon area, upper part of Canada, north part of Canada, then Greenland, middle part of Greenland. We cannot observe any type of primary activity due to the extreme opposite condition of climate. Somewhere the cold desert, somewhere the hot desert, as well as the forest region, then heavy rainfall, as well as ice cap region. These are the responsible for the less development of or the absence of any primary activity, economic activities there. This blue line shows a fishing activity in the oceans. This Atlantic Ocean is very important and highest rank in a fishing because of this Grand Bank and Dogger Bank. Both are the continental shelves are here, and they are extensive continental shelf which are important for the fishing, breed of fishing, and that's why fishing activity. So the Atlantic Ocean is an important ocean or the first rank in the fishing activities of the on the earth surface. Then mining, we can observe the mining in on a land area as well as in the ocean region with the help of this star shaped sign with a pink color. So it shows on earth surface as well as at the bottom of sea or oceans there are the mining activities practiced. There is a Mumbai High, one of the important center for the mining. Then this Gulf region, it is also supportive for the oil and natural gas production. So in this way we can Observe this map. Then which economic activities are shown on the map? With the help of index we can say agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, mining and lumbering. Then which region do you don't find any activity? That is a Antarctica continent. Why? Because of extreme cold climate. And in which latitude do you primarily find the distribution of lumbering activity? That is the 65° on the north hemisphere. At the north latitude we can observe the lumbering activity is there. Then why fishing occupation only found in the certain areas in the ocean? Because of availability of continental shelf is not equal all over in the ocean, which is that is effect on the fishing. Which primary economic activities are found mostly in Europe? That is the mining, agriculture with animal husbandry and lumbering also. So the almost all types of economic activities are developed, primary economic activities are developed, but mining and agriculture is very important economic activity. Then what production does the symbol of mining shows? Yes, that is in ocean depth the star shape with a pink star, it shows the mining. In which continent is mining not found? That is again same Antarctica. In which ocean is the world's fishing mostly carried out? That is the Atlantic Ocean. Which primary economic activity are found to the south of Tropic of Capricorn? That is the lumbering is there and mining is there. Which primary activity is found in the islands of Southeast Asia? Here there is a agriculture, mining and lumbering. Almost agriculture is on a larger area, as well as fishing is but almost agriculture. Then considering all the 4 continents, in which continent do you find less agriculture being practiced? That is only Europe and Asia have a highly agricultural countries, but the other continents like Africa, then Australia, South America have and North America, the north part of America is totally barren because of ice cap region. So in these 4 continents, Australia, Africa, South America, North America have find less agriculture. In this way we can cover the introduction of primary economic activities. One by one we discuss all primary economic activities in a next videos. Okay, thank you.